putting the finishing touches to our 3 dishes, our guest judge had arrived. Food critic James Day, tough, uncompromising, and completely unaware that we prepared his dishes in microwaves. First up for James was meal 1 from Samsung.
A little bit chop.
Had the Samsung's pre-programmed cooking methods misjudged our beef?
The flavour?
What about the veg?
Slightly under. Yeah.
Next, it was time to see if LG's microwave roast could impress.
Cooking on the beef.
Okay.
Nicely rare.
So the meat was a winner, but had LG's steam accessory done the trick for the veg as well?
Good flavour.
And finally, it was the chance for the Whirlpool to delight James's taste buds.
Again, good colour. Quite tender.
Again, the meat went down well, but would he appreciate the steamed veg?
Again, nice texture.
Now it was time for the verdict. Would you be able to pick out a standout winner?
I think overall, I think it's 2.
Dish 2.
Based on the colour and the texture of the meat and the balance and the texture of the veg.
So the LG had won, but there was one more shock still left to come. The entire dish, bar the gravy, was done in a microwave.
Really?
Yes. And after that thorough grilling, it was time for the G ratings. 3 Gs for the Samsung. It had a great user interface.